Indian Polity. Preamble of the Constitution GK Questions Set 1. Question 1. Which part of the Indian Constitution has been given the title of its soul? And the answer is A. Preamble. Question 2. What did the Constitution makers pay special attention to? And the answer is A. On the introduction. Question 3. Why is India called a republic? And the answer is D. Here the head of the state is elected for a fixed period. Question 4. India has popular sovereignty because the preamble of the Constitution of India begins with the words. And the answer is D. We, the people of India. Question 5. What does the word secularism means in Indian Constitution? And the answer is C. Not accepting any religion by the government. Question 6. What does the word republic means in Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. States where the president is not hereditary. Question 7. Which of the following two words were included in the preamble of the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment? And the answer is C. Socialist and secular. Question 8. In what form has India been declared in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is C. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Question 9. India is a republic. What does it means? And the answer is C. There are no hereditary rulers in India. Question 10. Which of the following words is not in the preamble of the Constitution of India? And the answer is D. Public welfare. Question 11. The objective of the welfare state is? And the answer is B. To manage the welfare of weaker sections. Question 12. Which of the following sequences is correct with respect to the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Question 13. The word secular used in the preamble of the Constitution means? And the answer is A. Freedom of religion and worship for all citizens. Question 14. What is the meaning of "We, the people of India" written in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is B. The Constitution was created by the people of India. Question 15. Idea of the concurrent list in Indian Constitution was borrowed from? And the answer is D. Australia. Question 16. The influence of which revolution is not reflected in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. Chinese Revolution, 1912. Question 17. According to the original Indian Constitution, India is a? And the answer is A. Sovereign democratic republic. Question 18. In what form has democracy been accepted, as described in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. All of the above. Question 19. According to the preamble of the Indian Constitution, in whom lies the supreme power of governance of India? And the answer is A. Public. Question 20. Provision has been made to maintain and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. And the answer is A. In the introduction. Question 21. The ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution are further explained in which part? And the answer is C. Fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy and fundamental duties. Question 22. In which part of the Indian Constitution the idea of expression in the objective resolution presented in the Constituent Assembly has been fully included? And the answer is A. Introduction. Question 23. What is not clear from the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is C. Date of implementation of the Constitution. Question 24. Which name of the country is mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is C. India and Bharat. Question 25. By whom is the Indian Constitution approved? And the answer is D. By the people of India. Question 26. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. And the answer is A. On 26 November 1949. Question 27. On which of the following dates was the Indian Constitution implemented? And the answer is A. 26th January 1950. Question 28. How many times has the preamble of the Constitution been amended? And the answer is C. Once. Question 29. When was the first amendment made in the preamble of the Constitution of India? And the answer is C. In 1976. Question 30. The preamble of the Constitution does not promise to provide which of the following to all Indian citizens? And the answer is D. Equality of worship. Question 31. In which Amendment Act changes were made in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is C. 42nd Amendment Act, 1976. Question 32. The provision of the preamble which provides right to vote to all adult citizens is called. And the answer is B. Democracy. Question 33. Which part of the Indian Constitution clearly declares that India is a secular state? And the answer is B. Preamble of the Constitution.